Hi. The last week I've been working on two main things. One is to add more Magic Wand tricks for different data types. I started working on other date formats. So for example, here I have a different format with dashes. It will detect it. It will also show the icon for the type transformation from text to date. And it will warn me when the transformation may not apply to all values. So if I apply this one, also here I explain the format I detected and the separators in the trick. So I can see now that for the second case it didn't work, and also the invalid date value now is orange, so it's easier to spot when there are some invalid values. I will go over the other ones because they are similar. It explains the format. In this case, fuzzy has some with dashes, some with dots, some with slashes, or mixed. So this one will warn me many things. Like this is the one it detected mostly, year, month, date with dashes, but it found other separators, and it found separators that are mixed in same value. So this will fail also for many. This is the worst. This one should work correctly. And while importing an Excel spreadsheet, depending on how it's stored, it may store that the type for a cell that's a date in Excel, it's numeric. So whenever I import it, I get this number. And I added detection for this format. So if a number is in the Excel format and arranged from the last 10 years to the next 10 years, I will recommend this transformation, Excel number to date. And this is if all numbers in the column are in that range. And it requires a little change to make the same for timestamps in seconds and milliseconds. So if all the numbers are in the range of timestamps in the last 10 years or to the next 10 years, it will recommend this one. And if it's the same range but in milliseconds, it will recommend this one. So this is what I did in terms of Magic Wand tricks. And also I took advantage of the empty space when a new card is created to describe what goes there or what's not there. It's useful for two things. One is to give the names so users can read that this is the input section, calculated field section, query section, output section. So when I refer to them, they already read those names and can find them in the card, but also as an opportunity to explain a little bit more some UI elements, like what does this button does, even when it has a tooltip on the bottom right, and what to do with these placeholders. I also explain here the placeholders. I did this for all cards that have these sections, and now they have a unified look. So this was my work in the last couple of days. Bye.